Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, what iPhone should you buy? I'm gonna let you know which one you should be buying because you know the Apple event was yesterday, or it was on the September 10th if you're watching this later than today the 11th. But I know a lot of people are making videos talking about the iPhones. Did you watch the event? Have you done your homework on it yet? I don't know. But I'm going to make this video pretty quick too. It's pretty easy answer on what iPhone you should get and which one you should pick up. Now on the iPhone 11, 11 Pro, 11 Pro Max, they all look great. The 11 Pro and the 11 Pro Max have the 3 cameras on it. All the bells and whistles. It has a bigger display. Well, the Pro Max has a bigger display. I don't know why the Pro has that 5.8 inch and the 11 has a 6.1 inch. I don't understand that, but it is what it is. What phone you should get is an easy answer. Get the phone that you want to get. It's that simple. It's your money. It's not my money. It's not any of these other YouTubers out here recommending their phone. You should just get whatever phone you want to get. That is that simple. Do your homework, get the phone you want, and enjoy that phone. If you want the 11 Pro Max, then get it. Get the 3 cameras, the telephoto lens, the bigger battery, and the bigger screen. I mean, that's a nice phone. It definitely will perform well. Now, the real answer to this question is, though, what phone should you get and what's the best value? And that's pretty simple. The iPhone 11 is the phone that you should get. Apple knows that phone will sell. That's why they price it at $699. The difference between that phone and the Pro Max is that you get an extra camera, a little bit bigger battery, you get a better screen, not too much. But the 11 still has the A13 Bionic chip. It has the 4K 60 frames filming in the front camera. Also, the rear camera, you can do 4K at 60 frames per second. Trying to drive and film at the same time is definitely hard. But the 11 has pretty much everything that the Pro Max has, except for the screen, the battery. But it's going to be a quick phone. It has the cameras on there. Yes, you're missing out on the telephoto lens. It's not that big of a deal. And the price is $699. With a trade-in, you could almost get it for $299 or something like that. I see. That is the best value. That is the phone you should be picking up. But again, do your homework. Let me know which one you decided to pick up. Are you getting the new iPhones? Or are you an Android phone fan? If not, I mean, that's fine too, but just decide on what phone you want to get. Let me know in the comments. Let's get a discussion going. Talking to people at my job, a lot of them have the iPhone 10 and iPhone 8 Plus, and they are going to stay with that phone. They are not upgrading. They actually said it was ugly. I was trying to get them to actually come in this video and give me their opinions, but a lot of people get camera shy. But again, if you want to know my opinion, the best value is iPhone 11. But if you want all the bells and whistles, go to the Pro Max. But if you want the best value, then the 11 is the best phone for you. But again, that's just my opinion. It's definitely up to you on what you want to get. How does this video look? This is the front-facing camera on the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Y'all let me know how it looks. But that's all I have for this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so for more videos coming out. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day now.